One day, a large number of meteorites flew towards the dinosaur planet. Almost all the dinosaurs on the planet had disappeared. After a long time, a lonely Brachiosaurus wanted to find its partner. It couldn't find its companion. Sadly, it sent out a signal of rescue. "Is there anyone who can help me?" Received a signal of rescue from a nearby dinosaur planet. Let's go to conduct rescue immediately. The Brachiosaurus found the base of Little Panda Rescue Team. "Rescue Team, I want to see my friends again. Can you help me?"
You can count on me. Let's take a look at the magical machine in our base. This is a machine that can revive dinosaurs. As long as you collect enough dinosaur fossils, the dinosaurs can be revived. Splice the fossil to the corresponding position. Great! All the fossils are spliced together. Next, press the button to revive the dinosaur. Brachiosaurus. Great! The dinosaur is revived successfully. This is the dinosaur paradise on this planet. The revived dinosaurs can live happily here. Thank you, Little Panda Rescue Team. This is what we should do. Many of our friends have become fossils. I hope you can help us. You can go to the fantasy forest where there are many fossils. Well, let's start at once. Don't worry, the task of finding fossils is up to me. Let's set out to find fossils. Tuk-tuks. Let's set off, heading for the fantasy forest. Wow! This is the fantasy forest. There are many strange plants. Use the radar to see how many fossils there are. Radar on! The radar shows that there are some dinosaur fossils here. Go and have a look. The place where the flag is placed has an alert for dinosaur fossils. Go there and look for it. This is an energy ore, a gem on Planet 3. Ah, there's a layer of turf on it. Use the weeder to remove the grass from the surface. Use the hand shovel to remove the covered soil. Yeah! A fossil is found! Good job! Use the little brush to remove the ash from the fossil surface. Wow! A fossil is found! Keep going! Great! All the fossils here have been found! Mechanical dog summoning device. With mechanical dog summoning device. Summoning!
Hello, I'm Mechanical Dog. I can help you find the fossils. You can call me at any time.
Go, mechanical dog!
Follow me.
The mechanical dog is over there. Follow it to take a look.
Follow me. There is fossil here. Hurry up. There is fossil here. Hurry up.
Use the hand shovel to remove the covered soil. Yeah! A fossil is found! Good job! Use the little brush to remove the ash from the fossil surface. Wow! A fossil is found! Keep going! Great! All the fossils here have been found! Excuse me, can you help me find this stuff? I'll give you a reward. You can count on me. Help Mr. Gopher find what he wants. This is what Mr. Gopher is looking for. Bring it to him now. Thank you. This is what I want. Here is your reward. Yeah, that's great. Go, mechanical dog.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. There is fossil here. Hurry up.
Ah, there's a layer of turf on it. Use the hand shovel to remove the covered soil. Yeah! A fossil is found! Good job! Use the little brush to remove the ash from the fossil surface. Wow! A fossil is found! Keep going! Wow! A fossil is found! Keep going! Great! All the fossils here have been found! Yeah! All the fossils are collected! Let's return to the dinosaur paradise! Start transmitting the fossils found. I'll leave that to you, Rudolph. Kiki, leave it to me. Let's splice the dinosaur fossils together.
Dilophosaurus. Great! The dinosaur is revived successfully. Next, let Momo take the dinosaur to the dinosaur paradise.
Hi! I'll take the dinosaurs to the dinosaur paradise.